Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that I get asked about a lot. How long does a Revolut transfer take? Before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, investing, and currency exchange. One of the most popular features of Revolut is its ability to transfer money between different currencies instantly. So, how long does a Revolut transfer take? The answer is, it depends. There are a few factors that can affect the transfer time, including the currency you are sending and receiving. Transfers between some currencies are faster than others. The currency exchange rate at the time of the transfer. If the exchange rate is unfavorable, it can take longer for the transfer to process. The time of day that you initiate the transfer. Transfers made during peak hours may take longer to process. The recipient's bank. Some banks process transfers faster than others. In general, most Revolut transfers take between 1 and 5 minutes to process. However, there are few exceptions. For example, transfers to and from certain countries may take longer. Here are some additional tips for speeding up your Revolut transfers. Use the Revolut app. Transfers made through the app are typically processed faster than those made through the website. Make sure that the recipient's bank details are correct. Incorrect information can delay the transfer. Initiate the transfer during off-peak hours. As mentioned earlier, transfers made during peak hours may take longer to process. The time it takes for a Revolut transfer to process depends on a number of factors. However, most transfers take between 1 and 5 minutes. By following the tips above, you can help to ensure that your transfer is processed as quickly as possible. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Revolut, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic. Thanks for watching.